Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Math Solver. Today's we are going to break down a very important topic of algebra, that is factorization. If you are a beginner or looking to brush up your skill, by the end of this video you will have a solid understanding how to factorize any algebraic expression. Now we will start by solving exercise 6.5. Here we have question number 1 is x square plus x. Now you see that smallest power of x is x raised to power 1. So we will take small power as common. So x into x plus 1. This is the answer of this question. Now we have question number 2, that is x cube plus x square. Here the smallest power is x square, so we will take smallest power as common, x square, remaining is x plus 1. So this is the answer. Now the third part is 2y cube plus 4y. Now first of all, numbers are 2 and 4. So you will take 2 as common. 2 is smaller and 4 is greater. And y raised to power 1 and y raised to power 3. Y raised to power 1 is a smaller power. So 2y will be taken as common. Remaining is y square plus 2. So this is the answer. Now we will solve 4 part, that is 4a raised to power 4 minus 20 a raised to power 2. So we will take two numbers 4 and 20. 4 is common because 4 into 5 becomes 20. A raised to power 2, a raised to power 4. A raised to power 2 is a smaller. So remaining is a raised to power 2 minus 5. This is the answer. Now we will solve fifth, that is 2y cube plus 7y square plus y. Now 2, 7, 1, these are prime, so you cannot take any number as common. Y raised to power 3, y raised to power 2, y raised to power 1. Smallest is y raised to power 1. So you will take y as common. Remaining is 2 y square plus 7y plus 1. This is the answer. Now we will solve part 6, that is 5a power 4 minus 4a raised to power 2 plus 3a. Now first of all, you have noticed that 5, 4 and 3, there is no common factor between these three numbers. So a raised to power 1, a raised to power 2, a raised to power 4. So you will take a as common. Remaining is 5a3 minus 4a plus 3. This is the answer. Now we will solve part 8. that is 7a minus 7a cube plus 14a4. Now 7 can be taken as common. A power 1, a power 3, a power 4. A power 1 take as common. Remaining is 1 minus a2 plus 7 2s are 14 to a raised to power 3. This is the answer. Now we will solve part number 9, that is x square y minus 2 x square y plus x cube y square. You will take x power 2, x power 2, x cube. So x power 2 as common and y power 1, y power 1, y2, you will take y as common. So remaining terms are 1 minus 2 plus x3, x2 is taken as common, remaining is x and y. So this is the answer. You can further solve it. X into y. 1 minus 2 is minus 1 plus xy. This is also answer. Now we will solve part 10. That is 2 x square y cube minus 6 x square y square plus 2 x y cube. Now first of all you will take 2 as common. X square and x. X raised to power 1 is the smallest. Y cube y square is the smallest. So remaining terms are x y minus 3 x y square is taken as common plus 2 is taken as common, x is also, and y cube, y square is taken as common, so y is remaining. This is the answer. Now we will solve part 11. That is 2x cube y cube z raised to power 4 minus 4x square y square z cube plus 3 x cube y square z4. Now you will take 2, 4 and 3. These are not having any common factor. So x raised to power 3, x raised to power 2, x raised to power 3. So you will take smallest power, that is x raised to power 2, y cube, y square and y square. You will take y square as common, z4, z cube and z4. So z cube. Remaining is 2, x cube, x square is taken as common, so x, y cube, so y, z4, z cube is taken as common, so z, minus 4, x2 is taken as common, y square is taken as common and z cube is also taken as common, plus 3 x cube, so x square is taken as common, remaining is x, y square has taken common and z4, so z. This is the answer. Now we will solve part 12. a square plus ab plus ac plus bc. Now we take that a square, a, and a is not present in this term. So we cannot take any number as common, we will make pairs. So in these two terms you will take a as common, remaining is a plus b. And in these two terms you can take c as common, remaining is a plus b. So a plus b is taken as common because a plus b is multiplying by a and multiplying by c. So in the next step you will take a plus b as common from these two terms and remaining is a plus c. So this is the answer. Now we will solve part number 13, that is x cube minus x square y square minus x cube y. Now you will take x square as common, remaining is x minus y square minus xy. This is the answer. Now you will solve part 14, that is t square plus 4t minus st minus 4s. Now you will take t as common from these two terms and s minus s from these two terms, because no single term can be used. So take t as common, remaining is t plus 4, and take minus 7 as common, remaining is t plus 4. When you take minus as common, sign of inside the bracket will be changed. So t plus 4 will be common and remaining is t minus s. This is the answer. Now we will solve part 15, that is x square into x minus y minus y square into x minus y plus z square into x minus y. So you will just take x minus y common from these three terms. So x minus y remaining is x square minus y square plus z square. This is the answer. Now we will solve part 16, that is 5x2 plus 10xy plus 25 xy square into x plus y. Now you will take x plus y as common. So remaining is 5x square plus 10xy plus 25xy square. So this is the answer. If you want to further solve it, you can take 5x common and remaining is x plus 2y plus 5y square. Now we will solve part 17. In part 17, area is given, which is equal to 3m m plus 7 plus k into m plus 7. You have to find the length and width. So area is equal to, area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by width. So here you have area is, you will write length multiply width by solving this. In this equation, you can take m plus 7 as common and remaining is 3m plus k. So length is equal to m plus 7 and width is equal to 3m plus k. M plus k. You can also consider width as m plus 7 and length as 3m plus k. So this is the answer. In question number 18 is same as question 17, just area is 24 a square b minus 18 ab square. Now area is equal to length into width. Length into width you have to be find out. So you will write 24 a square b minus 18 ab square. 24 and 18 you will take 6 as common. A square and a, b and b square, b will be taken as common. 4 a minus 6 into 3 is 18, so 3 a is taken as common and b. So you will write that length is equal to 6ab and width is equal to 4a minus 3b. So this is the answer. I hope you understand all the questions of this exercise. Please subscribe Math Solver and also share the videos. Inshallah, in next video we will solve exercise 6.6 in a very easy way. Allah Hafiz.